Summers have arrived. For our eyes, we wear sunglasses. For our skin, we apply SPF. But what about cooling our body from the inside? Wait, before you step out in this heat, you have got your shades on, you have applied your sunscreen. But are you really prepared from within? Today I am going to show you a super cool, healthy and refreshing summer drink, a natural hibiscus sharbat that will instantly cool your body and refresh your mind. Hello everyone, welcome back to Half to 81. Today we are making a refreshing and healthy hibiscus sharbat perfect for hot summer days. This drink has a naturally vibrant red color, a slightly tangy taste, and it's completely free from artificial colors or flavors. We have been enjoying this summer delight since many years, and I am really excited to share this with my YT community. So let's get started. This beautiful flower you see here is called hibiscus, and in India it's popularly known as gudal. You'll usually find it growing in gardens, parks or even as a decorative plant at home. But what many people don't know is that this flower is not just ornamental, it's completely edible and incredibly beneficial for our health. Hibiscus has been used for centuries in traditional remedies and herbal drinks, especially in tropical countries. It's known for its natural cooling properties, which makes it perfect for hot summer days like these. Now let's talk about why hibiscus is so special. First, it helps in cooling down the body naturally, which is exactly what we need during summers. It is rich in antioxidants, which help fight free radicals and keep our body healthy. It's great for skin and hair health, giving you that natural glow from within. And it may even help in managing blood pressure when consumed regularly in moderate amounts. Another interesting thing about hibiscus is its color. When we boil the petals, they release this deep red pigment which is completely natural and looks absolutely stunning in drinks. And the taste? It's mildly tangy, slightly fruity and super refreshing, almost like a natural combination of cranberry and lemon. So today we are going to transform this simple garden flower into a delicious, cooling summer sharbat that not only tastes amazing but also supports your health. Let's note the ingredients. Here's what we need: 8 to 10 fresh hibiscus flowers, 3 cups of water, sugar or jaggery as per taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 pinch of black salt, fresh mint leaves, optional, and ice cubes. Important tip: always use chemical free or pesticide free flowers. If you are picking them fresh from your garden, make sure to wash them thoroughly. First, wash the hibiscus flowers properly. Now remove the petals and discard the green base. After cleaning comes the most magical part, the boiling process. Take a clean pan and add around 3 cups of water. Now gently add all little hibiscus petals into the water. Turn the flame to medium heat and let it start heating slowly. As the water warms up, you will notice something beautiful happening. The petals will begin to lose their color, and slowly the water will start turning into this light pink shade. Give it a gentle stir in between so all the petals release their color evenly. After a few minutes, the color will deepen from pink to a rich, vibrant red. This is when you know all the natural goodness of the hibiscus is being infused into the water. Let it boil for around 8 to 10 minutes, not too much, not too less. Overboiling can sometimes make the taste slightly bitter, so keep an eye on it. You'll also notice a mild floral aroma coming from the pan. That's your sign that the hibiscus extract is ready. At this stage, the petals will look pale because they have released all their color and nutrients into the water. Now that our hibiscus mixture is ready, it's time to separate the liquid from the petals. First, turn off the flame and allow the mixture to cool slightly for a minute or two. This makes it easier and safer to handle. Now take a clean container or jug and place a strainer over it. Slowly pour the hibiscus mixture through the strainer. As you pour, you'll see this beautiful deep red liquid collecting below. This is our hibiscus extract, the base of our sharbat. You can gently press the petal with a spoon to extract every last drop of that rich color and flavor. Don't rush this step, as this is where all the essence comes through. Once done, you'll be left with soft pale petals in the strainer. They have already released all their goodness into the water, and what you have in the container is pure magic. A vibrant ruby red liquid that's completely natural and full of flavor. Now let's enhance the flavor. You can add sugar or jaggery, lemon juice, a pinch of salt, black salt, and mix well. And here's the secret twist: add some crushed mint leaves. It makes the drink extra refreshing and flavorful. Now comes the most satisfying part: serving this beautiful summer drink. Take a tall glass, preferably a clear one, so you can really enjoy that stunning red color. Start by adding a few ice cubes into the glass. You can already hear that refreshing chill. Now slowly pour the hibiscus sharbat over the ice. Watch how the deep ruby red liquid flows into the glass. It looks absolutely mesmerizing. For that extra freshness, add a few crushed mint leaves on top. You can even rub the mint lightly between your fingers before adding. This helps release its natural aroma. Next, place a thin slice of lemon on the rim of the glass or drop it inside for a slight citrus boost. If you want to make it look even more premium, you can add a few soaked basil seeds, sabja, or make a little chilled soda for a fizzy twist. And there you have it, your super cool, healthy and refreshing hibiscus sharbat, ready to beat the summer heat. Just look at it, feels refreshing. Imagine how amazing it tastes.
Wow, so refreshing. It's really tasty. I didn't know. Hibiscus. Wow. Cheers.
Before we end, here are some quick bonus tips for you. You can store this hibiscus sharbat in the refrigerator for up to 2 to 3 days. Add a little soda to turn it into a refreshing mocktail. or replace sugar with honey for a healthier version. And if you want to exact measurements, full written method, I have added it in the pinned comment below. Don't forget to check it out. If you enjoyed this super refreshing summer drink, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to How to 81 for more garden to glass recipes and natural drinks. Also comment below and tell me what's your favorite summer drink.